Glorious day. Say good morning, Garth. Say good morning. A little chilly here this morning in South Carolina. Good morning, Truffles, Mustachio, Jax, Wayne. I just want to wish everybody a blessed day. Always start the day and end the day with a positive thought, no matter how hard the day may be. I mean, we're all going to have hard days. Maybe it'll be really good. Maybe it'll be really trying on you. Just remember, tomorrow will be definitely filled with endless possibilities, just like these days. Just remember, we're in God's hands. I'm grateful to have another blessed morning, awake, alive, breathing. What about you, Garth? Huh? You big mush? Everybody's slow this morning because it's a little colder. Trying to find Gizmo for everybody. He was yapping his head off a minute ago. It wouldn't stop. Let's go check on the weather for everybody. Oh, nice and cool. Some stars. Some more of God's handiwork. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much for all your kind comments, all your blessings. I can feel your positive energy. And just remember, live, love, and laugh. No sense of being upset. Everybody gets upset, but get over it. Just means you're alive if you're in pain. My back hurts this morning, but it hurts all the time. Just means you're alive. Good to be alive. Try to reach out to people, smile at them, try to make them laugh. You don't know what people are going through. I haven't been to our favorite coffee spot that we go to every morning. I went yesterday and everybody was all upset because they haven't seen everybody in the morning. And we kind of broke routine.